Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about partial fractions. So we put capital A over x plus 2, capital B over x plus 1 to the power of 2, and capital C over x plus 1. Because we have the power 2 in here, so we need to have two fractions, and we know that the power in here, so we need to reduce from number 2 to number 1. So we have x plus 1 to the power of 1. Now we do common denominator. So about this one, this is missing about x plus 1 to the power of 2. About this one, this is missing about x plus 2. So capital B multiplied by x plus 2. About C, this one is missing about x plus 2 and x plus 1. So the denominator, that is about this one. Now we need to expand this one in here, and this one in here. Next, we need to arrange based on the term of x about x squared. We just have A and C in here. About x, we have 2x with A, we have 2A. B with S, we have B. And number 3 with C, we have 3C. About the number, we have 1 with A, we have positive A. 2 with B, we have 2B. And 2C. Now we need to compare coefficients. We have x squared. Coefficient of x squared you got about number 1. So A plus C equals to number 1. We don't have x, so that means this one equals to number 0. And this is about the number. So A plus 2C plus 2 A plus 2B plus 2C equals to negative number 3. And now we need to create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of ABC. So A equals to number 1, B equals to negative number 2, and C equals to number 0. So we put the value ABC go in here. So this one we have number 1, this one we have negative number 2, this one we have number 0. So we need to simplify this one. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of x plus 2. The integration of this one, we have positive number 2 over x plus 1, and then we put about C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.